What's going on, guys? SPC Man here, back with another unboxing here, and I'm joined with
RMwx.
Rafe.
I need to restart this.
Okay. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Sima First Alert WX-150. There's the front of the box. Public alert radio. Frequencies on the back. Pretty much everything you would find in.
Still using Windows 7 2021.
Pretty much everything you would find in a what do you call it? Weather radio box. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Give me 1 second here. First out the box, you get the power adapter, the radio, and the manual. But we're not gonna look at the manual right now. Okay. So let's take off this plastic cover. Let's see if we get the radio out of the box. Woo, that's bigger than what I expected.
It says go back to the command line and tell me what to do. Okay.
Here's the radio itself. Just push all the buttons to wish it good luck in service. There's the switches. There's no switches on the back. And this is the side antenna model. In a second, we're going to find out if this is the newer firmware or not. Alright, let's rip this off. Take that off. Let's go get some batteries. This takes 4 AA batteries. I love how it says do not use rechargeable batteries, but then it has a switch for it.
Pretty much.
You bastard. Oh.
What's the button, peeps?
Yes.
Sounds like an alert works.
I'm trying to find out if this is the alert mode. It's the enter button.
What does the WX-150? Oh, it's that one.
There we go.
Those look very weird.
Yeah, everyone foams over anything WX.
Nobody asked you.
Fuck you hit can I'll worry about it later.
Says that like that's a good company.
There we go. Set channel, we'll do that in a second. Siren mode, add alerts, siren test. Trying to figure out how to do this.
Yeah.
Siren test.
It's definitely a unique siren.
I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the newer firmware, I think.
What radio is it?
Is it for
WX-150.
Sima?
I might get one. It's only $12 on eBay.
And it's brand new in box.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up, let's see what else we got.
I might ask my mom for an allowance.
let me raise the antenna up. And by the way, they have two versions of this. They have one with the backward, with the antenna on the side, and the one on the back.
That's why I saw that.
Friday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 feet.
Okay.
Saturday, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 feet.
That seems
Sunday,
pretty good.
northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Marine forecast. Tangier Sound and inland waters of Bloodsworth Island.
Well, we know that works. Alright, that's going to conclude the unboxing of the Sima First Solar WX-150, and we are signing out here with
RMwx.
Lupe Valley.
and peace.